Dear friends, welcome to my video on 10 ways to use ChatGPT to earn income. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Let's dive into 10 ways to use ChatGPT to earn income. Remember, the key to monetizing your ChatGPT skills lies in creativity, understanding market needs, and being persistent. Content creation and blogging. ChatGPT can help you generate unique blog posts, articles, and other written content. With its ability to understand and create various writing styles, you can produce a diverse range of content for different niches and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling it directly to clients. Social media management. Use ChatGPT to craft engaging social media posts, responses, and even full-scale social media strategies. Offer these skills as a service to businesses looking to maintain an active online presence without investing too much time or resources. Ebook writing and publishing. Dreaming of writing a book but stuck on ideas or phrasing? ChatGPT can help you outline, write, and even edit ebooks. Once your book is ready, self-publish on platforms like Amazon Kindle and earn royalties. Online courses and educational material. Leverage ChatGPT to create comprehensive educational content or courses. Whether it's language lessons, coding tutorials, or creative writing, package this knowledge and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Copywriting services. Many businesses seek compelling copy for their websites, ads, and email campaigns. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality copy and offer your services as a freelance copywriter on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Chatbot Development. Dive into developing custom chatbots for businesses using ChatGPT's capabilities. From customer service bots to more complex interactive tools, the market for personalized chatbots is growing. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT can handle scheduling, email drafting, basic research, and more. Offer your services as a virtual assistant, enhanced by AI efficiency, to professionals and small business owners. Language translation and localization services. If you're multilingual, combine your skills with ChatGPT to provide translation and localization services. Help businesses reach a broader audience by adapting their content for different languages and cultures. Scriptwriting for videos or podcasts. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts for YouTube videos, podcasts, or even commercials. Content creators and marketers are always on the lookout for fresh script writing talent. Personalized gift and greeting card writing. Tap into the personalized gift market by using ChatGPT to create custom poems, stories, or heartfelt messages for greeting cards. This unique service can be especially popular during holidays and special occasions. Remember, the trick is to blend ChatGPT's AI capabilities with your personal touch and expertise. Stay adaptable, keep learning, and watch as these opportunities can turn into a rewarding income stream. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.